Samvedam is an extraordinary facilitator. She brings a depth of experience and an incredibly gentle touch, but with a steely resolve to have people address what's there.
We here, yes, yeah, you come to the best. Excellent.
Yeah.
I just treasure Samvedam's integrity. I think that's why I'm here.
To hold a lot of people's stories and the trauma and the real emotion behind it. I find amazing. Never seen anybody else hold as many different and points of view in the trauma, and I guess that's the no blame part too.
Mm-hmm.
Everybody has a piece of their own difficulty. They're the victim.
Samvedam goes with the flow. She's a real authority in the situation, which is great. I think the authority is a great container for the intimacy that needs to happen. And I know I know firsthand that takes some experience and some learning, because it's scary to try it.
Samvedam that I love the best is that she can stay objective. That when she's working with you and you're starting to go off into a tangent that really is not valuable or going to help you in any way, she can pull you back in with dignity and respect, and you never feel anything less than that dignity and respect while you're doing the constellations and the people working it. And you always walk out of there with something. And she is very approachable and does not ever make you feel that she is way above you or more so than you. It's just her years of experience that she's willing to give to you to help you do the best job you can.